Hi everybody, I'm Martin from Robalyst and I will explain how Apple Incorporated performed last quarter. We can see that the big picture paints two sides of Apple, a stark one and a bright one. The important questions we are going to answer are why Apple's different businesses went up or down. This is key if you want to know what will happen with company profits in the near future. Total company sales posted a mediocre gain of 2% because of a 19% growth in the sales of non-iPhone categories that managed to balance a 10% drop in iPhone. We can see, of course, that iPhone is by far the most important product for the company, generating 33 of the 63 billion in revenues. The main drivers behind iPhone's slump were European sales, which fell an estimated 14%, and an 11% drop in China, where sales were subsidized by price cutting and financing. Without the active steps taken by the company, we can assume that sales in China would have been worse. We can see that Apple's sales outside the US contracted everywhere around the world, excluding Asia-Pacific. The US proved to be an important bright spot for the company, rising almost 7% due to the strong sales of services and wearables. Those non-iPhone categories were strong enough worldwide to cushion big part of falling iPhone sales. Speaking again about products, Apple services went up an impressive 25% due to a 36% growth of paid subscriptions, which reached 450 million accounts. We can attribute much of this growth to Apple Music, which had quickly become one of the two top streaming services worldwide. Wearables soared an even more impressive 54% and now approaches Macs as the third most important product for Apple. The main reason behind this rise are new Apple Watch buyers, which is great news for the company, meaning that an increasing number of people are finding enough reasons to buy this relatively new category of gadgets. Speaking about gadgets, iPad posted a strong 14% rise, again because of new buyers. This is once again great news for Apple, meaning that iPads are reaching new markets. Turning to the company's profitability, Apple's operating income was hit by a 9% rise in total expenses. At the same time, the company reported a 3% drop in net income, which was supported by a $500 million booked in other income. Without that $500 million, Apple's net income would have been substantially worse. To wrap up, there are a few things to like in Apple's report, the most important of which are US sales and the long-term growth in wearables. At the same time, there is a big flashing red light about China. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our channel so you're up to date with what's important. More videos are coming your way. Also go and sign up to www.robalyst.com to check Microsoft, Amazon or JP Morgan. Get the answers you need when you're thinking about a company because Robalyst has them. Thanks again, and don't forget to give us a review and tell us what you think. See you soon.